Yes. Months of a year with abbreviations with dates. "12 months of year." January, abbreviation JAN, 31 days. February, abbreviation FBB, 28 days in common year, 29 days in leap year. March, abbreviation MAR, days, 31 days. April, abbreviation APR, days, 30 days. May, abbreviation MAY, days, 31 days. June, abbreviation JUN, days, 30 days. July, abbreviation JUL, days, 31 days. August, abbreviation AUZ, days, 31 days. September, abbreviation SEP or SEPT, days, 30 days. October, abbreviation OCT, days, 31 days. November, abbreviation NOVE, days, 30 days. Last, December, abbreviation DEC, days, 31 days. Thank you.